Hey, what is up guys? My name is Shop here. This is Friday, which means this is 5 minutes Friday. So we don't have time to waste. So intro. Hey guys, I'll be teaching you HTML in 5 minutes. So let's get started. So let's put 5 minutes on the clock. Let's go. We will open our .html file using Notepad and browser. So first thing, go to Start, search for Notepad and open it up. Go to File, Save As, select a location. I'll be choosing desktop. Set the file name as whatever.html. Make sure you use .html and set the type as all files. Save it. Okay. So we have opened our web page using the Notepad and the browser. The first thing I want to tell you about HTML is that HTML is all about tags. This is the first tag. We're declaring it to the browser that whatever is in the middle is written in HTML. Okay? So the first tag is the head tag. I will add a period and then write head just to make my code cleaner. Inside the head tag, we have a title tag. Actually, we have many tags, but one of them is title tag, where in the middle, if we write hello, file, save it, we have to save it every time or it won't load the changes, and refresh it, the name of our web page will change. Okay, now to write anything in the body, we have to use a body tag. And over here, if I write anything, so if I refresh, I will get the anything. But this is not the way how real web developers write their code. We instead have a lot of tags in the middle. So these are all the tags inside the body tag. So we have H1 up to H6, which stands for heading 1 up to heading 6, and a paragraph tag. Here is our heading 1 to paragraph. Okay, so let's create a simple website with it. So as you can see, I have given enter or return key or just changed my line over here. But if I save it and open it up over here, as you can see, this does not break the line. Okay, for that we need to use a special tag called BR tag. Okay, so a special tag is required to break the line, and spaces don't really matter. Only one space between the word matters. If I add thousands of spaces over here, it won't matter. So let me file, save it, refresh it. As you can see, because of the BR, it breaks the line. But because of so many spaces between off and animals, nothing happens. Okay, here's the thing. Between off and animals, nothing happens. So one space only matters, that is between the words. Even this space doesn't matter. Okay, if I refresh it, it is going to stay the same. Okay, we can even add a line by using this HR tag. So it will create a horizontal line over here. Okay, so let's add BR tag over here, and this thing will be at different lines. But we have another way to add this kind of contents, that is using the OL tag. Okay, and there is one more thing which I want to teach you, is that if you cover any text with strong tag, then the text will be bold, as you can see, and doing the same with EM tag will make the text italic. I can do that for the whole line. So as you can see, the whole line is now bold, and so the OL tag stands for ordered lists, and it has many LI tags. LI stands for lists. So this is the first list, second list, and so on. Okay, we even have a UL tag that stands for unordered lists. Now if you save it and try it, it is just going to have these circles instead of the numbers at the left. So you can create something like this, which has a heading 2 with a paragraph and a simple unordered list, or just give it a ordered list instead of the unordered list. Simple. The next tag I want to teach you is the IMG tag. It does not have an ending tag, but it has a property called SRC. So we write property like this, and over here we will give the link of the image or the name of the image. Okay, if it is the name of the image, it should be at the same folder as the HTML file. So as you can see, here is my HTML file and here is my image, so at the same folder, and I can write the name of the image including the .png. So let me save it and refresh it just so that image comes over here. Okay, we can even add links from Google. So here I have found an image of a cute cat, so I will right click on it, copy image address, and I will paste it instead of the capture.png. As you can see, it ends with .jpg, which means it is an image. So let me save it and load it. So as you can see, I have got the image from the link. Now if I want to resize the image, over here, or you can do that before the src tag, src property, I can add another width property and set it to 400px. Now if I save it and refresh it, the image is going to be of 400px. As you can see, the height is automatically set due to its aspect ratio, but if I want to overwrite its height, I have to write its height and then overwrite it. So let me refresh it. As you can see, the image is ruined. I do not recommend you to do that, but if you want, you can. Now as you can see, if I change the length or width of the browser, the image stays the same, which means that this thing is not optimized for mobile platforms. So to optimize it for mobiles, we have to set the width and height to percent. So for example, the width be 50%. Now if I save it and refresh it, as you can see, the image is right now, this whole is 100%, this little is 50%. Okay, if I increase the width, now this thing is 50%. So this thing is optimized also for phones. Okay, I can do the same with height. Now if I set the height to 50%, then this full is 100% from here to here, and this half is 50%. So as you can see, I have created a simple website. So first it has an headline 2 of cats, and then it have a paragraph. I have 3 cats and their names are, and then an unordered list with 3 lists. Okay, and then another heading 3, another heading, that is heading 3, and then an img with a width of 100%. I recommend you using 100% width most of the time, because this thing will have the 100% width, and I like 100% width. Okay, the next thing I want to teach you is the iframe tag. Now this, I don't know why has an ending tag, but is basically the same as img tag, has a source property. Okay, so you give the name of the video or the link of the video over here, and then you can even set the width and height manually. Okay, so let me show you an example. So about this video, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna choose copy embedded code, and then I'm simply gonna paste it over here, not between the src. As you can see, it automatically has an iframe tag with a certain width. If there is no unit in the width and height, this means that this is set as pixels or px. Okay, it has an src tag, so this is the real link of the video. Okay, which I'm pretty darn sure no one visited link like that, but I did. And it has some properties, for example, frame border, allow autoplay, and some more properties which I cannot teach you in 5 minutes. Okay, so subscribe to my channel because I'll be making another HTML in 10 minutes video. Now if I go and refresh it, I'll get this kind of video over here. Now in the iframe, this thing is empty. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, and let me save it, refresh it. Here is my video. One more thing which I want to tell you is that the aspect ratio is not set automatically. If I get rid of the height and refresh it, as you can see, the height will be not according to the aspect ratio. Okay, changing the width will not change the height in iframe tag in video. Okay, you have to manually set the height no matter what happens in the iframe tag. Okay, but the image has a very great thing of setting the height automatically. I guess that's perfect, but I still got a little borders at the top and bottom. So thank you guys, that was all from me in this video. Be sure to hit the like button because it helps me a lot. Hit the subscribe button if you want my contents to appear more often at your home and subscriptions page. Hit the bell icon if you want to get a notification whenever my video is uploaded. Share this video to your friends and family. Comment down below what kind of videos do you want to see next. My name is Chuck here from Tech Enthusiast. Peace out.